When my patience disappears and everything feels too much, I know I'm at a crossroads. I either lose it and upset my kids, or I pause and reset. As an unschooling dad, that moment determines how our whole day unfolds. So I'm going to show you a 1-minute brain reset that I rely on to stop overwhelm in its tracks. And it's not the usual advice to just take a breath or count to 10. This is using the brain's own wiring to help you stay calm and connected with your kids, even in the hardest moments. Let me start by showing you what happens in your brain when it all starts to feel too much. Imagine the kids are shouting, the dog's barking, dinner's half cooked, and breakfast is still on the table, and laundry's piling up. Your attention is pulled in 10 different directions, and your brain starts to feel out of control. In that moment, you hit a fork in the road. Fight or flight, or reset. If you tip into fight or flight, you're more likely to snap and yell at the kids. Your kids get upset, you feel guilt or regret. Worse, it chips away at the relationship you're working so hard to build. And when you lose it, their stress response kicks in too, shutting down learning and making unschooling harder. But it doesn't have to go that way. If you can change direction right in that moment, you stay regulated, nobody gets upset, and learning keeps flowing naturally. Just one moment of calm can save an entire afternoon. Here's the part most people miss. Whichever path you choose in that moment, you're wiring it in, meaning you're making that reaction more automatic for next time. If you lose it with your kids, that neural pattern gets stronger. But if you stay calm, that pathway gets strengthened instead. You're literally training your brain to make that reaction your new habit. Every time you choose calm, it gets easier next time. But how do you flip the switch from stress to calm right when you need it the most? Well, you've got to do something to interrupt the stress response. That fires up the rational part of your brain, dials down your stress, and helps you stay steady when everything starts to feel like too much. There are loads of ways to reset in those moments. Let me show you what I do when I feel tension rising inside me and I want to set myself back on a calm path. Stand with your feet together and hold a pen out in front of you. If you don't have a pen handy, just use your thumb. Now, keeping your head completely still, use your eyes to follow the pen as you draw a large circle in the air. Go slowly. You can swap your hands at 6 o'clock and 12 o'clock. The slower and smoother you go, the better, so don't go fast. Just 2 or 3 circles each way is enough to bring the focus part of your brain back online and turn down your stress response. Eye circles like this are one of the fastest and easiest ways to settle your nervous system and start to think more clearly so you can handle your situation calmly. Now, if any part of the circle is difficult, maybe your head moves, or your eyes lose focus, or you can't keep your balance, that's a clue your brain is already struggling, carrying around a hidden burden and making it much more likely that you tip into fight or flight. So watch this video next where I'll show you how to reduce the biggest hidden strain that almost everyone is walking around with so you can make calm your new normal.